Hey, my friends, let's cook fried pork loin with potatoes together. Are you ready? Fried pork loin with potatoes in one pan is very easy and simple to cook in the kitchen at home. This healthy lunch takes about 20 minutes to prepare. And the result is a deliciously juicy loin with perfectly cooked potatoes. Ingredients: 3 medium potatoes, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper for flavor, half a pound, 200 grams, boneless pork loin. Salad, spinach. How to cook fried pork loin with potatoes. Preheat a skillet to 175 degrees Celsius. Add olive oil. Sprinkle the pork loin with salt and pepper. Bread potatoes, eggs, and flour. It's very simple, see how I do it. Place the pork loin in a skillet and cook for 10 minutes on each side. Remove from heat, cover with foil, and let sit for 15 minutes before slicing. This fried pork loin and potatoes is a snap to make. Serve with vegetables and your favorite salad for a special meal. I think you will like this recipe. Enjoy your meal. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be very happy. See you again.